What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we have James, What's Your Forte, coming over with his G80 M3. He's doing the OLED GTS style taillights on the M3. Not sure if this is the first G80 M3 to have those taillights installed, but it's definitely one of the few that I've seen personally getting these lights installed on the car. I've seen them on like the M340s, and they actually share, the M340s and the G80 M3s share the same trunk, same taillights, so you can actually do this on either car. He's pulling up now, let's check it out.
OLED time, baby!
So the OLED GTS taillights, right?
Oh yes, sir.
What's
yes,
up,
sir.
dude? Welcome back. How is G80 M3 ownership then?
Wonderful.
Word has it you just got past break-in?
Yes, and the car feels different. I know a lot of people were saying that, you know, they just changed the oil, this and that. The car feels different, man.
Really?
They
You think that they did
feel
some like software tuning or something?
I would say maybe there's like a restrict or the throttle. I think probably say the throttle response probably got improved.
That makes sense. Show us what we're working with.
Oh man.
Where are these from?
These are from Carbon Cars UK.
Okay.
So we're gonna give y'all just a little sneak. Hold on. We gotta pull.
Oh yes. Oh, dude, those look really good.
Dragon scales out here. Game of Thrones life, you know?
There were like so there were like two styles, right? Like
Yeah.
there was like a blacked out one and then like this one.
So they had the blackout. So everything you see right here, this red tint was all black.
Yeah.
And then they had the red scales and they have the red one. Based on vote, I went with the red.
Yeah.
You know, everybody's like, go red, go red, go red, go red.
Yeah, I think the red looks better anyways.
Yeah, and also it makes it keeps it legal.
Yeah.
I don't have to write any.
These, I will say though, like these taillights are not bad at all.
Oh no, definitely
these
not.
taillights, they actually look really good on this car.
Yeah.
But these are crazy, dude. Those are so sick. The M340s and the G80 M3 share the same taillights and the same trunk, I guess, right?
Yeah, yeah. From up here, it's the same. You know, of course, this is a little more aggressive. Got a little
Right,
more,
yeah.
But the actual lights are the same.
So remember when I filmed this the other night when we were driving through Charlotte?
Yeah.
Dude, I got so many responses from that video. For people who are like, oh my God, it looks so good from the back.
Man, from the back, it's
Dude.
just...
It's, yeah, girth. Exactly. It just looks so girthy from the back. Like driving behind this thing, it's nasty. It's nasty. I almost like don't want you to tint the windows because the interior looks so good.
I'm going with like a super light. Like on the front, I'm going with 70% just to keep the UV.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it will be super light.
And then I can figure out what we'll do with the rest of it.
Look at this, you guys. You can see the definition in these. What do they call these? Like fins or gills or something?
I'm calling them dragon scales.
Dragon scales. Okay, cool. But yeah, they look really good, man. If you pay attention to the red that's in these ones, look at how much darker it is.
It is a lot darker.
It's like a dark cherry compared to those that are like super light red.
Make the scales pop out even more when they light up because of the darkness.
Yeah, for sure. These are sick. Oh, I'm so hyped to see these on your car, dude. Super hyped. These are gonna look amazing. Thumbnail squad. All right, so I think install is actually going to be relatively simple. These are plug and play. I'll leave a link to where he got these from. Everything should be pretty straightforward. We're gonna just hop into it, get a little bit more B-roll here of the car, and then some of these tail lights, and then yeah, get wrenching.
Very good. So I hope my camera's picking it up for you guys. But yeah, they look really good. Look at this guy trying to roll up on them. I'm like a ninja, man. Don't roll up on me. All right, so if you guys can see, these are the stock tail lights right here. It is an OLED, full OLED right there. But I think with these new ones, let me grab one so y'all can kind of see. Boom. So y'all see that right there? You got the OLED. Boom. Stop. OLED. Stop. I think they're gonna look really good, man. What you think? Think they're gonna look good?
Yeah, I think they're gonna look amazing. I really do. I think the definition, like you said before, these lenses are a little bit darker, so I think that the definition is gonna pop way harder with the LED dragon scales.
Oh yeah, dragon scales, baby.
So we're just kind of looking at this and talking about what we obviously have never done this on a G80 M3, but looking at the way that it's set up, it looks very similar to the F30, and I've done a couple of F30 ones. So we're thinking pop pins, all these little guys, gonna pop those out. This whole piece basically come off. These guys come off like that. So just like the F-Series with those, and then looks like a push pin right there. This whole thing will come out. The outside taillight part, you just take this part off, and there should be a bolt back here. That's how I think it's gonna be. I'm gonna leave the specific install instructions to this guy. I'm gonna have his video linked down below. His video is gonna go live before mine. We just got the cover off and everything else. It's actually really easy though. It's exactly like the F30. Like you just pop out all the little push pins, pull these guys out. You can see that everything is exposed. It literally has the same clamp and everything and bolt as the F30 ones. So it looks like we undo this guy, 8mm or something, take out this guy right here, and I think it's a 10mm behind there. So before we actually like tighten stuff down, we want to make sure that they work. So we're gonna go ahead and fire up the car and just turn on the lights and see if all the functionality is the same. The interesting thing that we did notice is that when we were plugging the plugs in, every plug, there's two of them, the plug for this one and the plug for this one, they were reversed. So we had to flip the plug around for this spec. Is that gonna change anything? I don't know. We'll find out. But they look really good. Check them out. Look really sick. So he's gonna hit unlock, and we're gonna just see what the sequence does over here.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, that's sequential too. That is dope.
Ooh, look how it builds up. I like that. And it comes back down. That is nice.
And then goes back up.
Look at the dancing.
Yes, sir. Oh, those look so good. I hate how on camera they look orange, like yellow, but dude, in real life, these are like super red. So this is really cool. This is all a sequential LED now, whereas on here, it's just this guy. So he's gonna hop in the car and go through all the sequences to see what the differences are. Dude. Wow. Yeah, they look so good. All right, so do brake. Okay, so brakes are this guy in the corner, and then brakes are these two in the corner on that one. Cautions, oh, sick. So the cautions on these have the sequential and these blink, and then on the factory, it's just blink and blink. And do reverse, interesting, there we go. These guys and these guys. Turn signal, yep. Looks really good. So James is knocking out the other side. This install is like really easy, you guys. The F30 was a little bit harder because you have to like run wires and stuff, and like down here from the top, you don't have to do any of that with these lights. It's literally plug and play. The only like weird thing about it is these plugs all had to be flipped around in order to go in. So that was the only strange thing about it, but other than that, worked out really well, super easy. I'd probably rate this install like a 3 or 4 out of 10. Fitment's really good on them. The only little gap that we have is on under here, but when the trunk is closed, you never see that. Other than that, perfect. I'd say 9 out of 10 fitment, pretty solid for aftermarket, and they look so good. So yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend if you're interested in GTS style taillights for these cars. Not a bad little upgrade. James, what do they cost?
They are about $800.
So,
but I do have a discount code.
Oh, snap.
YF 2020, you get you 5% off.
Cool, so I'll leave the link down below. You guys use that code and that will get you how much off?
5%. 5% off these or anything else in the store. So
we're gonna knock out the other side. Obviously it's the exact same as this side. It was really, really simple. Dang, those look good. Damn. A job well done.
Thank you.
We're gonna head out and grab some photos. I think sunset is coming right up. Oh yeah, definitely. So we're gonna get some sunset photos of these bad girls. Maybe some cinematics for you guys. Oh, they look so good. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're interested in the G80 GTS OLED style taillights, I'll have it linked down below, as well as James' channel. Make sure you go check out his video. He's gonna have like the detailed instructions on how to install it, as well as the link to the taillights will be linked down below, as well as his discount code. You get 5% off when you use that discount code. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you enjoy them? Do you like it? Are you digging the G80 content? Do you want to see more of it? Either way, I do have more coming, so get used to it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.